Yeah, hi Krishna. Yeah,
Yeah.
so first of all, I will really thankful for you. Actually, basically, before like attending the session, I was given the the first round, second round, but unfortunately, like there was some technical architecture levels kind of the things was asking deeply knowledge about the how we can build architecture from the scratch to end. So on that time, there was just some the not clear the concept that was clear and due to some that so I lost the opportunity and something like but yeah even in a JavaScript deeply like when you can say the hooks is can easily available the content from the Google or ChatGPT or any of the kind of the portals, right? The over the internet, but you have explained in a very deeply concept like how the hooks like use states how we can use state can use for the for the statement handling the data, but inside how use state will work, right? So we have created one demo session how we can create our own use state. So that kind of the biggest things that interview perspective can deeply knowledge you have explained your all of the sessions can include a JavaScript or React or something like TypeScript or Redux point of view. And whenever you can explaining any kind of the topic, so on while the topic you are explaining that deeply and throughout that you are explaining yeah, this kind of the interview will ask the question what will be the tackle question, the cross question, something like so. Definitely boost the confidence while we are giving the interviews or something. So definitely after that, so I'll be more confident about the interviews and some, my confidence level will highly boost for the after these sessions. I
Yeah, good to
really
know that
appreciate.
one. And clean
Yeah,
architecture also helpful, right?
yeah, obviously the clean architecture. We know that the folder structure thing that, but explain how we can explain, right? Interviewer what expectation was very high from the architecture perspective. If we can explain the only the folder structure like a utility structure or something like nominal, but the main perspective like interviewer was expecting how can explain, right? The clean architecture is a deeply concept. So on that time, this was very helpful for me because some of the time, my obviously I'm giving the interviews as well, like 3 to 4 rounds. Third round is completed. I'm moving it to fourth round in the next week. So obviously that the things architecture level concept was very clear. So was very helpful to me and main thing is confidence level, right? So confidence level is highly boosted so after this session, so that's the main thing, right? So after that how we can tackle the interview or something and get the different part, but main thing is confidence level need to increase and how we can confidently explain the you know questions answer like that the main things to I really achieve that in uh, these sessions.
Good to know that one. So
Hmm.
some people will think like confidence means the communication, the way you are tracking. So I feel like a confidence is nothing but the subject you are having that will give you a confidence level you to track rather than the communication. So communication will cover up to some level. If you have the subject while we are discussing, right, it will become a communication. So definitely.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Krishna. Thanks
So,
to all
Sagar,
team.
I will see you soon. You join a company.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And once you have received any offer, right, just text me so that I will be a very happy person.
Sure.
I will tell
Definitely.
to everyone.
First message will first message I will for you like will text you
Yeah.
first. Yeah. Thanks to everyone and yeah all the best to all of you for your future.